y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ash Takeoff, and if you're back, I know it's been a while, but y'all, I'm so excited to show y'all this new wig I got from Ashimary hair. And let me tell you now, it's one of the ones that you can wear up. It is the Invisi-strap 360 lace frontal. I got it in 20 inches, but this is what's so special about this wig. It has an Invisi-strap that is kind of like a drawstring, but much smaller and invisible. It helps it be more snug and tailored to the back of our head, so we can wear the hair up in a ponytail, in a bun, like the styles that I'm going to be doing in this video. This is a close-up of that Invisi-strap, and we're going to go ahead and get it installed. This wig does come with some adhesive tape, but I wanted to go in with some of this got-to-be gel because I wanted kind of more of a secure hold because it is a 360 lace. This wig was pretty snug, so once I put that got-to-be on, I made sure to have it exactly where I wanted it. Then I'm going to go in with some of this Even Wonder lace and just spray it on down and add that melt band to let everything melt in place. Now let's talk about these Invisi-straps. It has a place where you can pull to secure and tighten, so that's what I'm doing right here. And you just want to make sure that you're slow and soft when doing this because it's very easy to just slide and secure, so you don't have to be rough when doing it because it moves so easily. Once you have it secured, I like to go ahead and tuck that piece in, and it's invisible. We do not see the pieces. This is how the hair looks. I love this water wave texture. I will be going for a bun and ponytail look. Anytime I'm working with 360 lace, I always make sure to have my lace band on while I'm doing my styles, and then I can take it off and see how everything's looking once it's actually where I want it to be. Let's vibe out to some music while I style this hair, and I'll come back to y'all at the end with my final thoughts. The Invisi-straps is definitely a game changer. Look at the back. It looks very much realistic, and it's snug to my head. Shout out to that, because if it wasn't for the straps, I don't think it would have been that snug in the back. I quickly went from a bun back to a ponytail style just to show how easy it is to switch it up, especially with these simple and very convenient styles to be doing on this hair, because we can wear it up in a ponytail. Why not? Shout out to Ashimary hair. Y'all, all the information on this hair will be down below. If you're someone that likes to wear your hair up or likes to style your hair upward, the Invisi-strap is very innovative, and it'll help you get those styles that you really want with the back looking a little more realistic. This was another bun look that I decided to do. It's very much Minnie Mouse inspired, and that is it for this video, y'all. If you made it this far in the video, comment down below, what do you guys think? This was my first time feeling comfortable to actually wear my hair up and show it from the back on a wig, so just know I'm happy. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, y'all.